In part 1 of the Wealth Code, we talked about financial education, why it matters, how it works, and how understanding basic money principles can change your life. Now, in part 2, we go deeper. We explore the daily habits that the rich use, the ones that quietly shape success behind the scenes. These habits are not flashy. They don't make headlines, but they make millionaires. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to practice them. You become rich by practicing them. Let's get started. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. This is one of the most powerful financial habits. The rich pay themselves first. Before the bills, before spending, before anything else. They treat saving and investing as a priority, not an afterthought. They know that if you wait until the end of the month to save, there's usually nothing left to save. The psychology behind it. It's called delayed gratification, choosing long-term gain over short-term pleasure. It's the same mindset behind building a strong body, a healthy relationship, or a successful business. And it's a key trait of financially successful people. Your first step: set up an automatic transfer. As soon as you get paid, move at least 10% of your income into a savings or investment account. Start small if you need to. Even a few dollars is a win. The goal is to make saving automatic. That's how wealth begins. Habit 2. Track every dollar. This one is simple, but incredibly powerful. The rich know exactly where their money goes. Not just the big stuff. Even the small, daily expenses. They don't guess. They track. Because clarity creates control. The psychology behind it. There's something called the observer effect. It means when you pay attention to something, it changes. Tracking your money increases awareness. And when you're aware, you make better choices, without even trying. Your first step. For the next 7 days, write down every expense. Use a budgeting app or a notebook. Be honest. Be consistent. At the end of the week, review. What surprised you? What can you change? Awareness is the first step to transformation. Habit 3. Learn constantly. This might be the most overlooked habit of all. The rich don't stop learning. They read. They listen. They study. Not just for school, but for life. Especially about money, investing, and personal growth. The psychology behind it. This is called a growth mindset. It's the belief that your ability can improve over time. People with a growth mindset take action. They adapt. They bounce back from failure. And over time, they win. Your first step. Start learning for just 10 minutes a day. Read a book like The Psychology of Money. Listen to a financial podcast while commuting. Watch one video about personal finance on YouTube. The goal isn't to know everything. It's to stay curious. Because every new idea is a seed, and some of them grow into wealth. Habit 4. Build strong relationships. This might surprise you, but wealthy people don't build wealth alone. They surround themselves with the right people. Mentors, peers, business partners, communities that challenge them and support them. They know that money flows through people. The psychology behind it. It's called social capital, the value of trust, relationships, and reputation. Rich people use their networks for new ideas, insights, and opportunities. They grow by connecting. Your first step. Reach out to one person this week. Someone you admire. Someone ahead of you in life or business. Start a conversation. Ask a question. Offer help. One connection can change your direction. Habit 5. Take calculated risks. Here's the truth. The rich are not reckless. But they don't wait for perfect conditions either. They act. They take smart, calculated risks. They start that business. They make that investment. They try, fail, learn, and try again. The psychology behind it. It's about courage and confidence. Rich people don't fear failure. They study it. They see mistakes as lessons. Each one gets them closer to the next breakthrough. Your first step. What's one financial move you've been putting off? Starting a side hustle? Learning about investing? Pitching an idea? Break it into one small step. Then take action within 48 hours. Because confidence isn't built by thinking. It's built by doing. Now, let's recap. Here are the 5 powerful habits of the rich. They pay themselves first. They track every expense. They learn constantly. They build meaningful relationships. They take calculated risks. These aren't just habits. They're systems. Systems that, over time, shape a wealthy mindset and a wealthy life. And now you have them. So, here's your challenge. Pick just one of these habits. Practice it for the next 7 days. Track your results. Notice what changes. Because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built every day by doing small things right consistently. And if you're serious about transforming your money story, visit arevaworld.com and join the Wealth Mastery course. Seats are limited. The clock is ticking. And your financial future is waiting. This is the Wealth Code. And your transformation has already begun.